There is a guy right front here with a weapon.
Does he have a gun?
Yes, he has a gun.
Oh.
Hey, dudes and dudettes. I wonder if I have any ladies in the audience. Nevertheless, I'm back with some DayZ again. I tried to play a little bit of Battlefield, but I didn't have any fun and nothing really happened, so no Battlefield videos now. It's DayZ. Okay, this is what I have learned so far in DayZ. Get a gun and shoot. Well, I'm still a noob in DayZ, so bear with me. Once more I bump into another player, and you know that he's a noob too, because he didn't do anything. We just both stood there and looked like crazy.
Hello, friend.
Hello.
Your voice is breaking up, I don't know why.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, now it's better, I can hear you too. How's life?
Okay. Pretty bad.
Yeah, same here. I'm hungry as hell and I can't find anything, and it seems like every place is already looted.
Mihin mä kyllä käynyt kiinni?
Are you finished?
What?
Are you finished?
Yes.
No miksi me sit puhutaan englantia?
En mä tiedä.
Well, we just hanged around for a while and looted different places. It was a quiet server, so nothing really spectacular happened. But then, my good old friend Santeri came in and we decided to do something different. So what we end up doing is that we looted for some proper military stuff, and then we went into one of those very famous military houses where always is action, and shifted into a more active server with more people in it. We can clearly hear 3 people talking somewhere in the house. We are not exactly sure where they are, but we are assuming that they are in the roof, probably sniping people down upstairs. But we need to hunt them down, one way or another.
Hei, tuolla kerras pyörii joku.
For real.
Tuolla kerras liiketty joku. Hei, tuolla ne on yhtä kerrosta alempana kuin me. Vai onko se sinä siellä?
En.
Tuolla on joku äijä. Tuolla on joku äijä.
Mä oon nyt tässä sun oikealla puolella.
Yhtä kerrosta alempana on äijä. Kuitenkin se näki mut. Joo, se kykkii tuolla. Se kyttää mua. Tuolla. Näet tuossa huoneessa. Se on suoraan tuossa huoneessa tuolla.
Sillä ei olekaan mua. Se on nyrkittä siellä. Se vaan niitten kaveri. En tiedä.
Katsotaanko sille jotain? Se on nähnyt meidän.
Ei viitti, kun sitten ne kuulee ne muutkin meidän.
No kohta ne kuulee kuitenkin, se ruvetaan ammuskelemaan täällä.
Toi on vessa, se ei pääse sieltä mihinkään. Eiku huone, joo.
Tulee sua kohta. Jaha.
Toivottavasti siellä on nyt yhtiön kaveri.
No meikään vähän tuolla katolla. Katsotaan saaks mä kuolemaan.
Okei, mä suojan rappusen.
Ui, kuolin. Siellä on äijä, joo, siellä on äijä siinä oikeassa laidassa.
One thing that is particularly annoying in DayZ is dying. Not only involuntary dying, but also when you would like to die, because there is no way to end your life. It's extremely difficult, so only ways to do it is to find a higher ground where you can jump down, or go and hug the nearest zombie. Sometimes neither of those options are available. Of course I needed to get back to Berenzino to meet up with my friend, but if I'm spawned in the other side of the world, there is no point of started running, so I needed to end my life, one way or the other.
Hei. Terve. Mitä Pimo? Miksi sä tee mulle mitään?
No, sä oot siellä vitun mukava.
Hei. Noniin. Bitch slap. Antaudun sille. Ei tässä puhu mulle mitään. Noin. Mä annan se litsereitä.
Ei tulkaa nyt vittu.
No nyt se tajus, mä oon tässä. No. Nyt se ei osu mulle. No niin. Nyt se pukkas mua.
Sometimes you spawn in a place that you don't have any idea where you are. The only choice then is to start running in one direction. Sometimes that's the wrong direction.
Ai vittu, tiedätkö mitä?
Voihan se olla
Mä löysin kartan laidan. Mä oon kartan laidalla.
Oikeesti?
Joo.
I believe that all of you, my friends, are more or less familiar with Mr. Murphy, meaning if something can possibly go wrong, it most certainly will. So I'm having this serious case of death wish, but there is no freaking way to get rid of my miserable life.
Jumalauta. Mulla ei käynyt kuinkaan.
Näin peruspuki. Mä oon tippunut
tähän ei voi kuolla. Ai nyt se! Mä kävelin vielä, sit se kuoli.
Joo, se kävelee.
At this point, I've spawned several times in totally wrong positions. I've broken my legs. I've crawled into my death. And I have to say that I started to get a little bit frustrated, so I needed some action, and I need it bad.
Tässä ei jätkä seisoo tossa keskellä. Hän on lyömä, nyt mä en kysy niitä.
Onko se kamaa?
Oh.
Jaha, mä respasin keskelle vittu skutsiin kuolleena.
Nyt lähti
Mitä?
karkuun juoksemaan.
Siis tulee, siis...
Kiväärit ja kaikki juoksemaan karkuun.
Siis se mun ukko tulee esille.
Ottaa kivääriä käteen.
Hakkas.
Juoksen sen takaa niin perkeleesti. Se pesismailla yrittää huitoa mua.
Siis nähtävästi hei... Se 99 sekunnin kello tulee, niin tää ukko näkyy jo tää serveri
Ai
silloin.
nyt se sai mut tajuttomaksi. Perkele. Damn it, you win.
Ai vitsi.
Good shot.
Ai sano.
Eikö se meni onkoon shot?
To kill you or?
It's all the same to me. Okay, bandage me up. Bandage me up. I'll be nice now. Hey, I'm waking up! Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Where are you? Oh, there you are. I'm not hitting you anyway. Don't worry. I'm done with that. So where?
I saw your fists up, so I was
No, they were still up from the. They were still up from the previous encounter.
Mitä se tapahtuu? Sä yrität tappaa jonkun, niin se antaa sulle kavaa.
Se antaa mulle kaikki.
Ei vittu. Kiva äijä.
Aha. Hey, what's going on? There's a fist fight. Täällä tappelettu toisen. Is everything okay, madam?
Oh, calm down. Oh.
There's a fist fight going on. Everybody is boxing in the air. Shadow boxing. Nobody's hitting anything. It's very, very exciting. Oh my goodness, my friend went down.
Ammu se toinen, jos se hakkaa nyt on kaveri.
He's sleeping now. He went to sleep.
Are you a friend?
No. This is a strange lady. She's kicking butt. Seriously.
Well, this was probably one of those days that I should have stayed in bed, full day. It's DayZ and anything can happen, and this definitely wasn't my day. I'm Jampu. I hope you enjoyed the ride, and hey, let's keep those fingers busy. See you later, alligator.